Hi there. This is a fetal Doppler. I got this for my daughter who is expecting her first child. So the wand itself is just a smooth plastic top. The whole thing is nice and lightweight. Nice big speaker, nice big buttons. This does run on 2 AA batteries. So nice and easy. All right, and I will go ahead and turn this on and show you the up and down volume. You can see the volume display adjusting. It does give you your battery level, your beats per minute, and the display numbers are huge, which is really, really convenient. I am going to go ahead and show you this on myself so you can see it and hear it. It will give you the beating heart. It will give you the heart rate. Don't mind my high heart rate right now. The nice thing is, it says right in the book, you can go ahead and just use a little bit of oil or lotion, even some hand sanitizer on your skin as that barrier to get the better sound for the fetal heart rate. But again, just a long press to turn this off. You guys, for the money, I cannot recommend this enough. Fantastic purchase.